Lori's in the lead on the hike here.
Yeah, she thought all the Disney characters were going to come to life. I mean, like that she was really going to
Here comes Travis. You can kind of see the stuff we're in. It's just a great little place.
that thing.
Yeah, but we're going in real crap. But we can go both ways.
Are we coming back here?
Yes.
So, like, if I don't want to go, I can stay here.
Yeah, but we're
Okay.
going to crack over here.
Really?
Yeah. So, right, you can go up this way if you don't like